Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars, rules Aries, co-ruler is Scorpio. Exaltation Capricorn. Detriment Taurus and Libra. Fall Cancer. Responsible of Mars. Action. Boldness. GIF. Shield and Spear of Mars, the god of war. Represents action, aggressive urge, initiative. Anatomy. The muscular system. External reproductive organs, head and face, red blood corpuscles, motor nerves, bladder, adrenal glands. Keyword, energy. General, deals with your animal nature, desire and sexual energies. Shows ambition, force, power, construction, work, strife, competition and death. Governs surgery and operations, weapons, war, accidents, inflammation, wounds and cuts, burns, scalds, violence, tools, iron and steel. In earlier times it was known as the Lesser Malefic. Mars's action is sudden, self-assertive and disruptive. Mars can be used destructively and angrily, in a fighting way, or with courage and strength. Where you find Mars in the horoscope is where you expend the greatest energy. Cancer, the crab. Keyword is, devotion. Positive characteristics. Tenacious, intuitive, maternal, domestic, sensitive, retentive, helpful, sympathetic, emotional, patriotic, good memory, traditional. Negative characteristics. Brooding, touchy, too easily hurt, negative, manipulative, too cautious, lazy, selfish, sorry for self. Mars in Cancer. The planet Mars in the sign of Cancer indicates that you have strong emotions that can be used to protect and nurture your loved ones near home, or to fight for a distant goal. Then, you are not afraid to use your power to fight injustice on behalf of others. You can change the mountain when your strong emotions are transformed into positive causes. However, you need to watch out for misusing your energy and becoming vindictive. You are so vehemently opposed to injustice that you may harbor bad feelings towards those you see as perpetrators of wrongdoing. Although you are assertive, even aggressive, when you want to protect the feelings and interests of others, you may retreat into your shell when personally hurt. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.